The Neuron Pod is actually the 6th project that we have executed in an almost 20-year relationship with Queen Mary University. Starting on the Mile End campus, we moved to do the Blizzard building in the Whitechapel area, for which the Neuron Pod is an extension.
We used weathering steel in the creation of this project, using internal ribs to stiffen the external skin. On the back, fiber optic hairs with lights illuminate the structure. Ideally, we would have built the body in one piece, but logistics and cost drove the final decision. PART, our computational applied research team, delivered the project. A unique 3D simulation model was generated to perform geometric and structural refinements, to get the initial ambition from the architectural team to a fully coordinated, highly precise fabrication model. The Blizzard building research labs are under the side of the pod. The solution here was to support the Neuron Pod on 3 legs, one resting on the column in front and the remaining 2 on the retaining wall underneath. The Neuron Pod was designed as a set of 13 prefabricated units, assembled off-site by Little Hampton Welding. Once installed, the adjoining bridge was slid into the pod, connecting it to the university's existing walkway. The rich orange-brown color is defined by the weather condition itself, with patterns emerging where rain-water falls. But it is at dusk where the pod comes to life. When all the LED hairs are turned on, they are sparking in the muse of Queen Mary University, bringing the whole area to life.
I guess one other aspect of the Neuron Pod which is particularly pleasing is that it is the end of a 20-year relationship, again with Will Alsop, who was a very important part of our company's, our practice's history.